Moving on to the back area, we're going to start off with our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Remember, we're going to use the lever midway and all the way close to help us erase that initial guideline we created with our 5/0 blade from our octanes. We are near the occipital bone area, so you want to make sure you detail as much as possible here. Since we're done removing the guideline we created with our octanes, we can move on to our 1 guard all the way open and create our third guideline. Remember, we're going to use the lever midway and all the way close to help soften up this line and get ready for the half guard. Moving on to the half guard, we're going to go ahead and try to erase this line completely without going back to our no guard all the way open. Moving on to our 2 guard all the way open, we're going to flick out as much as possible near the calic area and make sure not to go too high. We're detailing as much as possible with our previous guards and no guard all the way open. Moving on to our 1.5 guard, we're going to go ahead and connect the 2 guard all the way open to the 1 guard all the way open. Moving on to our clipper over comb method, we're going to make sure the hair is nice and saturated so it's easier to pick up with the comb. Moving on to the front line, we're going to go ahead and pin it up with our metal clips so it separates the edges from the top hair so it's easier not to cut. Using our anesthesia outliners, we're going to go ahead and start off at the middle and work our way to the sides. We're going to go as slow as possible, making sure the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer. Heading over to the C-cups, we're going to start off at the bottom and work our way to the top arch using the corners of the blade. Make sure not to press too hard here because you could irritate him with the teeth of the trimmer. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, be sure to check out my live streams. Moving on to our babyless shavers, we're going to go ahead and use them to remove the stubble, making it as close as possible. We're going to knot the mustache down to a 1 guard all the way open and line up the bottom of the lip. When lining up the bottom of the lip, you want to make sure you're as gentle as possible because you could bite them with the teeth of the trimmer. Before we use the blade, we're going to go ahead and use a hot towel shave to make everything glide better. Moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, we're going to make them as crispy as possible. You always want to make sure you stretch the skin with your opposite hand as much as possible, and also keep the blade at a 45-degree angle. This will lower the likelihood of you cutting someone.